Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the corrupted game files on FiveM. This happens when you have downloaded mods or you have downloaded the game from another source than the official sources like Rockstar or Epic Games or Steam or whatever. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Now first you have to verify your integrity of the game files. So verify that you have no files that are missing because that's the first step, okay? If you have a file that's missing, you want to re-download the game again, or just go and search for a DLL file that's missing on the internet and download it, or see if there is a way to download a missing file. So what you want to do is go to Steam and then go to your library, right click on the game. So here, as you can see, I right clicked on this Starfield game. Just pretend it's GTA 5 for the tutorial. So right click properties, and then in the properties check installed files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. If it says that you have 100% of the files that are downloaded, then you're good, we can go to the next step. If not, you just have to download the missing files. Now for the next step, you just want to go to your file explorer and then go to wherever you have your GTA 5 installed. So in my case, I go to this PC and then my SSD, Steam library, Steam apps, and then common, then Grand Theft Auto 5. And here I have this address, so I will just have to copy it. As you can see here, this address. I just have to click on it once and then copy it using Ctrl C on my keyboard. And then I go back to the File Explorer and search for FiveM. Then here I go to FiveM application data and then go to citizenfx.ini. Then go to right click, edit, and here you will find this path that was on. So the problem with this path essentially is if you have moved your game from a location to another and you didn't upload the path to the game, okay? So what you want to do here is just to remove this path right here and replace it with this one that you just copied, and then save the changes and you will be good. So that was it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.